we'll do a couple of breathing exercises, also called as pranayam. Prana means life force. Ayam is to harness that life force. So the foundation of all the breathing exercises is Ujjayi breath, victorious. It's not a breath that can be easy, proficiently practiced, but the good place to start is to start practicing with your mouth. As if you're fogging the mirror, bring the hands in the front of your mouth, and as if you're fogging the mirror, breathe out. So do that few times. Inhale, take a nice deep breath. Exhale. And once you've practiced that for a few days, then you can try it with your nose. So drop your hands down. Breathing in yoga is always in and out through the nose. It's never through your mouth unless you're doing very specific breathing exercises, which are only 1 or 2 of them. But rest of the time, in your postures and in the breathing exercises, breathing in and out is through the nose. So we'll now practice that victorious breath, keeping your hands interlaced, hands relaxing in the lap, keeping your spine nice and upright, shoulders open, chest wide open, maintaining the normal curvature of the spine. Again, sitting on the block is always a good option for breathing exercises. Keeping your hip over the knees is a good idea. So sit on the block. If sitting crisscross is challenging for you, you can even keep your knees bent and sit with the knees folded. So take a very comfortable sitting posture. You may even choose to sit on a chair. If sitting on the floor is challenging for you, sit on the chair. Now keep your spine nice and straight. What we'll do is the victorious breath in and out, engaging the throat muscles. We'll breathe in for the count of 6 and we breathe out for the count of 6. We will not hold our breath. As a beginner, we don't hold our breath. But as we become more proficient in our breathing exercises, then we can add the hold. But for now, we will not hold our breath. So few very important components of the Ujjayi breath is you breathe in from your pelvic floor, starting from your pelvic floor. You visualize your pelvic cavity, your abdominal cavity and your thoracic cavity as one big cylinder. You start filling in the air from your lower abdomen and go all the way up to the collarbones. Face stays relaxed, the eyes don't participate. Once you breathe in nice and deep, then you exhale, empty out completely and then gently engage the pelvic floor and the lower abdomen to force, exhale and empty out completely. Okay, so you start by breathing in from the bladder all the way up. At the end of inhalation, your pelvic floor should feel taut. Okay. You make a hissing sound with your throat. Inhalation is more difficult in this pranayam. So as a beginner, you can just focus on exhalations. So inhale, take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, empty out completely. Inhale, deep breath again. Exhale. Now we'll do it with 6-second count. So exhale first, empty out completely. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back to regular breathing. As a beginner, that is not easy. Be patient with yourself. Slowly practice that and see if you can come to the power of 6-second inhalation, 6-second exhalation. Once the breathing exercise is done, stay there with calm meditative mind. Stay in the after effect poise of pranayam. That is when all the benefits of the pranayam take place. So do not rush in your practice. That was the Ujjayi breath or the victorious breath. Next, what we'll do is the alternate nostril breathing. This is another very good breathing exercise to balance your entire autonomic nervous system. Right? So your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system come into balance and harmony if you do the alternate nostril breathing. So bring the hands. Right hand is what you'll use. This is called a mudra. So the index finger and the middle finger will point at the third eye center, at the eyebrow, where your eyebrows meet. You don't touch the fingers to the forehead, keep them away, just pointing towards the third eye center. When you close the right nostril, you will use your thumb to close the right nostril. When you close the left nostril, you use the ring finger. Where do you put your finger on the nose? Right below the bony prominence. Okay, and gently close that nostril. So begin by closing the right nostril with the thumb. Exhale, empty out completely with the left nostril. Inhale in through the left nostril. Again, use the throated breath. Don't make the sound with your nose. Inhale through the left, close the left. Exhale, empty out through the right. Inhale through the right nostril, slow and deep with calm mind. Close the right nostril, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril, close the left nostril, open the right, exhale through the right. Bring the hands down in your lap and relax there. So another option with the hands is you can fold the index finger and the middle finger onto the ball of the big toe with the right hand. And then do the same with the fingers. So you have two options. You can fold your index finger and the middle finger to the ball of the thumb, or you can point the index and middle finger to the third eye center. Okay, but those mudras are important. So don't switch the fingers and use remaining other fingers, because there is a reason why those mudras are made. Right? So we'll do the same alternate nostril breathing, but this time we'll add the counts. We'll do it for 6-second inhalation, 6-second exhalation, no hold. Okay, so begin by closing the right nostril with the thumb. Index finger and the middle finger point to the third eye center. Exhale, empty out completely with the left nostril. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left nostril, open the right. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right, exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left, open the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right, exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your hands, interlace your hands. Left thumb crosses the right, face stays relaxed. Bring your awareness at the third eye center and stay there in the after effect poise of the pranayama. Bring your awareness completely at the third eye center. This is a very, very good breathing exercise. It cleanses all your energy systems and the channels. It is called as Nadi Shodhan in Sanskrit. It also balances all your chakras. So good to start practicing. Maybe do 5 minutes every day. But always choose a very quiet space to do your breathing exercises. One last one is the humming bee breath. The mudra or the hand gesture in this is you close your ear with the thumb. You bring the index finger onto the root of your index finger on the forehead, middle finger onto the root of your nose, the ring finger above the lip, the little finger below the lips. Okay, if all this is too difficult, you can just close your ears with the thumb. Now, when you inhale, your fingers are relaxed. As you exhale, you gently close the ears, your eyes, your lips and nose, and exhale, empty out completely, making the sound of the humming bee. That is the sound you're looking for. The tip of the tongue touches the palate. So it's the M sound, the M sound. We'll do it 3 times. Feel the vibration of this breath in the entire head. It actually massages your CSF, the cerebrospinal fluid, and it is extremely calming and relaxing. So inhale, take a nice deep breath, relax your fingers first. Exhale, make the sound of the humming bee. Inhale, deep breath in, face is relaxed. And last one, inhale, deep breath. Drop your hands down, interlace your fingers, cross the left thumb over the right. Stay there in the after effect poise of the pranayama. Your breath is your connection with your mind. As you learn to control your breath, you learn to control your mind. Now you can rub your palms, create some warmth, apply the warmth to your eyes and your face, and with few blinks, gently open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.